Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use glider in LEGO Star Wars Easy Method. Equip the glider in your loadout, sprint and jump from a ledge, then press the deploy button midair to activate. Keep the camera aimed at your intended landing and use small adjustments to steer. Release glide briefly to drop faster when needed, then re-engage to soften impact and land safely on narrow platforms. Glide control is mostly about timing and gentle inputs. Jump from a height that gives you enough air time, then deploy the glider quickly to catch momentum. Use brief taps of the stick or keys to nudge direction without losing speed, and hold glide when you need a steady, slow descent for tricky landings. Practice launches from different heights to learn how far each jump carries you across varied terrain. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel keep making tips. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is a handy companion to carry game guides, strategy PDFs, and comics while you commute or wait for matches, and the backlight keeps pages clear in any lighting. Peek at the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. Once you know basic gliding, try advanced moves to expand your options. Sprint into a jump, angle slightly downward, then deploy to convert forward speed into long glides. Look for in-game wind gusts or boost pads that can push you farther without extra inputs. If mechanics permit, experiment with character swaps mid-glide for tactical plays, but only when it's safe to avoid accidental drops or missed landings during combos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.